Welcome this video. Build a gardening out of pallet. Gardening is a reward and attack, but it's some time feel explode to get stand prepared pallet is an excellent way to create a functional and aesthetic place. Gardening without break the bank. Palette are versatile, easy to find, and professional for various gardening projects from plants to vertical gardening. Here a step-by-step guide on how to build a gardening out of palette and make the most of this request appear. First step. The first step in build a gardening is find subtract palette, look for clean, steady palette that are free chemistry or pet mean business such as story, hardware and wash out. Often discard pallet are stacked with HT then MB as the little charm termine and can be harmful to plants and sub pallet as those mean often river collect a pallet impact then for look and make mean request to soft hard plants your pallet gardening before divide into customize. Take some time of plants your gardening layout. Pallet gardening can be customized to sub an space whether your work with a backyard, balcony, or rooftop. What kinds of gardening you want to create? Vertical gardening, fashionable for smart space. Vertical gardening can hold hard flower or substance. Rustic gardening bed, idea for vegetable or long plants. Rustic gardening bed help impact those and